Welcome to this comprehensive training program, designed to give you the essential knowledge and practical skills.
Disclaimer: this channel is only related to sales knowledge on both vertical or real estate in Dubai, off-plan, and second.
This will be your complete training you wish you had on day one, and it is going to make everything so much easier for you. So if you're serious about becoming a high-performing Dubai real estate broker, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join me every week for new episodes. Let's begin with today's training. Understanding the Dubai real estate market decision, off-plan versus secondary. This is the foundation every broker must master. What is off-plan? Off-plan property means buying a property before it is completed, sometimes even before construction has started. Instead of seeing a finished home, buyers purchase based on architectural drawings, master community layouts, brochures and 3D renders, show units, the developer's reputation and past projects, strategic location. In simple terms, investors are purchasing future value, as Dubai is a global leader in off-plan sales. Attractive and flexible payment plans. Developers offer structured payment plans that reduce the upfront financial burden. Buyers can often secure a property with a small down payment, 10 to 20%, and pay the rest in installments during construction, sometimes even post-handover. This makes entry into the market accessible and capital efficient. Capital appreciation opportunity. Launch prices are typically lower than market value at completion. Early investors benefit from price increase. Number 3, strong developer reputation. Dubai is home to globally recognized developers with proven delivery records. Strict regulations and escrow account management laws protect buyers' funds, ensuring transparency and project completion standards. This builds confidence in long-term investment.
Number 4, investor-friendly environment. Dubai offers 0% property tax,
0% capital gains tax, full foreign ownership in designated areas, long-term residency visas linked to property investment above $2 million.
These policies make the market highly attractive for international investors seeking stability and growth.
The role of an off-plan broker. As an off-plan broker, you are not simply selling square footage. You are selling vision, lifestyle, future appreciation, community growth, long-term wealth potential. Your responsibility is to help clients understand market cycles, developer credibility, project location potential, and exit strategies. You guide them in making decisions based on future value rather than present reality. An exceptional off-plan broker combines market knowledge, financial insight, and strong negotiation skills. The ability to communicate opportunity clearly, because in off-plan sales, you are not selling what exists today, you are selling what will exist tomorrow. As a broker, your role is not just to show a project. The role is to select the right developer, choose the right location. The best units are secured early, so position your investor ahead of the market. Your role is to position you ahead of the curve, selecting the right developer, the right location, and the right timing. Plan investors' exit strategy, because in off-plan real estate, timing creates wealth. Your role is to position you ahead of the curve, selecting the right developer, the right location, and the right timing. Because in Dubai, those who act early build equity faster. The question isn't whether the market will grow. The question is, will you be positioned before it does? As a broker, understanding the off-plan process is vital. We start with the initial concept and planning before moving into construction and marketing. If you found this training helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Your support really motivates me to keep creating more valuable training content for you. Understanding off-plan sales process. Number 1, generate qualified leads through marketing and networking. Number 2, understand the client's budget, goals, and investment strategy. Number 3, educate the client about off-plan and market trends in Dubai. Number 4, present suitable projects based on location, price, and capital appreciation opportunity. 5, explain developer reputation, track record, and handover timeline. Number 6, share payment plan details, service charges, and expected appreciation.
Arrange showroom or site visit if available.
Number 8, collect KYC documents, passport or Emirates ID. Number 9, complete reservation form and secure unit with booking amount. Number 10, coordinate SPA issuance between client and developer. Number 11, follow up until OCUD registration and official confirmation. Last, maintain relationship until handover and beyond for referrals. Thank you for being part of this learning journey. Next episode will be on secondary market.